What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Christmas is coming, guys. Christmas is right around the corner, and man, it's gonna go by pretty fast, real fast. But yeah, kind of excited, kind of not. But yeah, we'll see. We can make the best of it. We have a lot planned for this weekend. Gonna be doing a lot of stuff this weekend, like hanging out, partying, a few things, but we're about to go to the supermarket and gonna grab some stuff. My refrigerator for the last like 2 months, my refrigerator, no, it started a couple months ago. The freezer part of the refrigerator, like it loses gas, but it loses gas like maybe 5 months. It take like 5 months before it loses any gas. So I gas it up, then it lose some gas again. So I have somebody inside gassing it up. I'm not going to use my Christmas money and buy no refrigerator. No. After Christmas, we go buy a new fridge and all that stuff. As a matter of fact, I'm not even going to buy a new fridge because I plan to do, Alicia going to do some remodeling in the kitchen and all that stuff. So I don't want to buy a new fridge. And then she wanted maybe a bigger, them big, something type of fridge there. Yeah. It's a bit spider. Yeah. It's a bit spider. It lasts long this time, man.
And that me say.
Yeah, man, it lasts long, I tell you.
God, what do you remember you and me say?
When are the big Christmas shopping? I know. What you saying that?
Next weekend.
Hmm?
Next weekend?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. When's the dates?
She's on a call dealing with credit cards. She a scammer.
Probably the 23rd. No.
Yeah, scammer.
Why is that's when I'm on hold? Maybe the 22nd?
Just press this something button.
No worries.
Hello?
Are you still there? I'm here. Oh, that was it. Thanks again.
Alright.
Have a good weekend.
Have a great day. Thank you, you too.
Bye. Literally, I'm on the phone. It's not on mute. And you say I'm a scammer. What if she just was like, oh, you can't get your card. You can't use it.
You notice I say it in patois?
Yeah, but the word scammer sounds the same.
No,
whether it's in
scammer and
it sounds
scammer.
the same.
No,
It sounds
no,
the same.
no.
It sounds the
With
same.
my accent, you know, understand
no,
me. I
it
say,
doesn't matter the accent or not.
If me look
you can
on her and say,
understand accents.
if I look at this lady and say, yeah, scammer, she's not going to understand anything.
It's not like you're speaking a different language. It's
Of
still
course,
English.
No, scammer, the pronunciation and all that stuff different.
I'm not doing any of these calls around you.
Whatever, man. Let's
Annoying.
come go scam people in the nice supermarket.
I'm still upset at you for that whole scammer thing.
Yeah, scammer, brother. Man, guys, I must say I'm happy that you guys are enjoying our content. Don't be a police officer. I wonder how I go on the road. Be a police when you look on the car. Alright, boss. You must say a for that. Yeah, whenever we see you guys out on the street, supermarket, wherever, love and respect and support is there. We pick up Amik from school, Had fun at school?
But you just told me you had so much fun.
Had fun at school? Say hi. Say hi.
He just wanna talk.
Man, this man, I make a scammer to like your mother, you know. Scammer just
All
like
I know
your
is I'm
mother.
not going to have you nearby when I'm speaking to anyone.
When you have any speaking engagements.
When I'm yeah, literally. Because no. Seeing that on the phone, what if the lady is just like, oh, let me write this on her account?
Nothing wrong, you know, you have to make the people them know, you know what I mean?
That what?
You have to make people them know, say, yo, the scamming abilities we have.
I don't have any.
Your skill.
No, I'm not.
Skill archie.
Oh, please, you're extra.
You know the law, Jungle. Trees are no kidding zones.
You're extra. I'm stalking you.
I'm extra.
I'm stalking you. I'm stalking you.
Stalker, man.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
You should let Ami carry up the groceries, not me.
Amika's locked in.
He's locked in.
You want to get out? You want to get out?
Something carry.
So you know, carry, yeah, carry. Yeah, I make some of the bags to carry. Ami, ball?
Take the ball up, Ami.
Ball?
You? I'm in charge. I don't trust anyone in charge. I know. Why don't we all be in charge?
Carry the ball up.
I can't give him the bag. Go and I bag them and give him. Yo, yeah. Yo. Carry that one, yeah. I'll get him, I'll throw it. Don't give him back. I'll throw it on you. Hey, take the bag. The bag heavy, you know. Every bag me want to give him.
You're gonna carry? How are you gonna carry?
You have boy in chunks too, huh?
Yep.
It's strong, fully for our bag, you know.
Because it's heavy. It's heavy, Ami. Let him carry your box. Your shoe box.
Here, carry this one. Take it upstairs. Take it upstairs. Go. I'll take the rest of the bags, okay? Is where I leave the box? Ami. Hands up, take that box.
Hey, Anna.
Take the box. Carry the box over. Hey, take out the box.
Carrying the box? Wow.
Get the ball. Hands up. What are you doing? Wow. This is your new toy? Wow.
It's a robot.
It's a robot?
Don't put your finger there. It gets stuck. Remember? Come, let's change it. Stand up.
Transformers.
Don't touch it, Elsa. No.
I mean, me with him toys, let me see. Let him play with it.
Learn how to share. And the crazy thing is, I'm going to share with everybody.
Print to pack out.
I literally just put that on him.
What's your shot?
I can't be bothered anymore.
Alright guys, so we're home packing out stuff. Don't like when Azaf mess with them toys. I don't know why.
We share with
Boys.
everybody though.
Yeah.
We share with everyone else.
Don't want to share any toys, but guys, don't mess with him brother.
Yeah, that's the
Don't mess with his little brother. He will worry for him little brother. Yeah guys, we're all home. Got him from school today. Today was a half day of school. And the last day as well at school. So
anybody coming to babysit?
you need a babysitter. Man. But we'll put him somewhere. We're going to put him somewhere. I'll find some activities for him to do. Man, so yeah guys.
Let's ship him off to Ghana to his auntie.
Mommy, we're going to run away with leave you and them in the house. Leave a toy, leave a chair here in the house and gone. I need to have Alicia fry these chickens, you know. I need to cook these chickens because they're not laying no more eggs. They're not doing anything. But anyway, Alicia is also frying chicken inside. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's go check that out. Wow. Wow. My wife is looking so beautiful in the kitchen.
I said you're something else.
My wife is looking so beautiful in the.
All of this is just for chicken, you know. That's how you act.
No, I'm not chicken alone. Chicken alone. Some fried chicken coming my way.
You're acting like that because of food.
Scrumptious. Scrumptious.
See what food we do to people?
Look how you dropped that thing at the time in night a while ago. Jeez.
I mean, you're not going to like this. You never like it.
Yeah.
It's not for you, buddy.
It's goggles for swimming. Okay then.
Come let me go lock you outside. Mommy's gonna cook now. You can't be in here, okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna drink it? I know he's not going to drink it. It's milk.
Yummy.
Don't spill it. Drink it.
No, auntie. No, auntie. Take it from me.
When are we gonna have video where you make fried chicken?
No, I could make it today. No. Could make it today, but I'm not in the mood.
Oh wow.
I'm not in a big mood today, you know what I mean?
Zap zap.
Zap zap, chicken is frying in here. You can't be in here, okay? Stay outside. Okay, you love hug up your mother's foot, you know, like.
Like I'm gonna run away.
Like you're gonna leave him.
You know that's how Meek knows how to open it though, right?
So guys, let me know if you want to see my fried chicken, because my fried chicken is the best, you know. I mean, my wife's fried chicken is the best, but mine, I would say, is the second best.
When you go and buy it? When you go and buy it?
Whether I buy it or not. Whether I buy it or not.
When you buy it when it's already pre-made?
Wife, I'm giving you so much compliments, I know you're trying to cut me through.
No, but I want to see your cooking. I actually would love to see it.
Supersonic, get out of here. Supersonic, get out of here.
Let me go see Grandma.
Yeah, Supersonic? Are you Supersonic?
Is his name Supersonic or is it just
Same as Supersonic.
Isn't the guy's name just Sonic?
Hmm?
Isn't his name just Sonic?
No, Supersonic.
It's Supersonic?
Well, it's Sonic the Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
But you have one of them called Supersonic. One of the I guess the stingy.
Needs to be harder.
Fried chicken. Let's open our own fried chicken joint.
Let's. You're gonna cook? You're gonna cook as well? If you're gonna cook, fine.
Like we have one called Popeyes, we can call it one of Olives.
What?
Or Brutus. Man, I'm excited about it. He said, yo, the first time Alicia made the fried chicken in the deep fryer.
Yeah.
Yo, that was delish. That was like 2 Christmas ago?
2020, yeah.
Yeah, 2020 Christmas.
Quarantine Christmas vibe.
I still can't remember that chicken. I still taste the chicken. That chicken is wicked.
Extra.
Wow. But the Supersonic, I'm putting on Supersonic. Okay?
Supersonic.
I'm going to open it after I finish, okay?
My fridge is open.
Yeah, when I finish, just wait no man.
Fridge open.
Amik, wait no man.
Fridge.
The chicken, baby.
Stay away from my kitchen.
No, it's the chicken.
It's good. It's cooking. It's cooking. Oh, we need a paper towel.
Wow.
See what I mean?
Wow.
Out of my kitchen.
Baby,
I need to put my prosecco in the freezer.
it's looking good. It's looking good.
What kind of accent is that?
It's looking good, baby. Nice.
Why are you not over there? Why are you in here? Huh?
You the hide it yourself?
No. I guess I'll put my kitchen.
This is not nice, babe.
Guess I'll put my kitchen.
Wow. Babe, I'm not going to have the food before then. I'll wait because I need it with the rice and peas. The rice and peas and the gravy and all the good stuff. Yum, yum, yum. Make that gravy, baby. Make that gravy,
Did you
baby.
put any onions or anything in it? But I have blended stuff in it. Here.
I'm sitting here patiently waiting for my food to come. Yeah, so I wait patiently too. Him get a little taste a while ago. So, yeah, wife.
Almost done. Almost done.
I am waiting.
People are gonna ask, where's your lunch? Did forgot to buy
Yo,
that.
this fried chicken have me looking like a creep.
What's up? Why are you not eating the rice?
Guys, this fried chicken about to go
Chicken
down
alone you want to eat?
in my belly. Wow. Thanks, baby, for this awesome food.
You're welcome. I'm
Ami.
eating all of your food.
Ami, say thanks, mommy.
Thanks, mommy.
Mommy, where'd you get this? This is not a spoon.
Uh-oh. Azab, say thanks, mommy.
This is properly.
Good job. Good job. Good job, mommy. Alright, guys. About to mash up this food. So, thanks for joining in this vlog to see me devour this fried chicken. No, you won't see me mash up this fried chicken, but you saw when I was helping to fry the chicken. So that's all you needed to see. So, see you guys in the next one. Yes, I was helping to fry the chicken. What do you think I was standing here doing all this time?
Mommy said she thought you cooked everything.